Hello everybody! In this video, we will learn how to make a Toastie pouch with Sealand, an upcycling company based in Cape Town.
One of the most interesting things about Sealand is their teamwork. They operate as a family in which each member plays an important role. In this example, Julia, Bujo, Richmond and Sandy show us how to make a beautiful product with team effort.
For this video, we are making a Toastie medium, which is one of our most popular designs and also one of the most versatile. A lot of people like them for toiletry bags. They've got some internal organization features as well, but you can really use them for whatever you want. You could use them for your stationery, or a lot of people use them for like camera accessories. They really fit your every need. We'll start with choosing the fabric for a particular order. For this one, seeing as it's once-off custom, we can use some of our recycled or upcycled sails, which have been around the world and have a lot of character to them, and start tracing our pattern onto there. The lining will be cut from an old banner, in-store advertising banner, which all our bags come with. And even when some of our bags might look the same externally, internally they all have a unique feature. As is the sail design, we'll add a pop of color to it. In this case, we're using a stripe of blue insignia material, which is traditionally used to add the classic numbers onto large sail design and then stick it onto our bags. It's something that can look quite similar, but each bag will actually be unique. In terms of the sewing, within our own home studio, each bag is made by one person. Aside from the cutting, it'll then go upstairs, go into one machinist, and that machinist will sew the whole thing from beginning to end. Each machinist have their own stamp and put their stamp with their name into each bag that they make. As we're progressing into a bit of outsourcing, it is a bit harder to do that with larger numbers, but we still have stamps made for every machinist in that factory. We still think it's really important that each person's name is seen and each bag is made by hand by a real person.